Hi, I'm Grant Rudolph, Clinical Research Director of Echo Rock Neurotherapy in Mill Valley, California. I've done about 10,000 sessions of a unique kind of neurofeedback. We do a direct transcranial neurofeedback that only lasts a few seconds.
There are 3 sensors, one to each earlobe and one that's pasted on the head. And through those 3 sensors, it's taking your EEG reading, your brainwave reading, it's putting it into the software of the computer, and then through the software, your own EEG reading is being reflected back into your brain.
The brain uses this essential information to automatically identify and discard negative emotional patterns. And it has the quality of fundamentally changing the underlying layer of human stress that comes because our brains are biased toward any kind of survival thing that might happen. Passive treatments relieve symptoms of disorders while supporting healthy brain development for easier thinking and renewed confidence. We can clear out all of those survival loops and bring people to a sense of relaxed clarity and heightened functioning. Since 1986, our patients have experienced relief from difficulties with concentration, negative thoughts, foggy thinking, bad moods, memory, procrastination, irritability, migraines, and sleep.
The most common word I hear is, "I feel calmer." You don't feel anything electrical. Many people will ask about that, but you can feel something energetic. Direct neurofeedback is so easy. All you have to do is sit there with your eyes closed for about 5 to 7 seconds, and then we wait for the results. You might start yawning a little bit because that parasympathetic nervous system is being supported and turned on. So you see that wonderful relaxation response. Something that's so wonderful about the direct neurofeedback is that you can be on medication. And I've worked with hundreds of clients that come in on medication.
And then there's the whole world of mental health, and we can address all of the different ailments such as ADHD, anxiety, autism, learning disabilities, PTSD, recovery, and especially traumatic brain injury easily because we've given the brain the resources it needs to do what it needs to do.
The most wonderful thing about using the direct neurofeedback with childhood trauma, with PTSD, is that you don't need to revisit and talk about the traumatic event. Clients love that.
Recovery may be enhanced with mindfulness training and counseling, guided by caring licensed therapists. It's enormously effective. It's medication-free, really changing the scene in mental health and personal growth world. To find out if neurofeedback is a good fit for you, go to our website and make an appointment for a free half-hour consultation.